So another Nordictrack 1750. This is the new one, and guess what? It's having the same issues. Frozen screen. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this issue. First thing you want to do is you want to find the reset button. This is the easiest way to fix this issue. Reset the entire treadmill. And the reset button on these is on the console, on the actual display, right? So it's right at the top where the camera generally would be. Right next to that, there should be a little hole. What that hole is for you to reset the machine. You're gonna hold that down while turning the machine on. This is fairly difficult, so you might need a second person to help you. So once you turn that machine on, right, you keep holding that down for about 5 seconds or 7 seconds, as long as it takes until the machine starts to boot up, right? And once it boots up, it should boot up and reset itself properly. If this doesn't work, there is another thing that can be done. But guys, send me a message in the comments. Let me know if this works for you or not. There's something called the privilege mode. How to reset the DRM or the master reset. Let me know if you need me to make another video on that. And follow me for more awesome fitness equipment hacks just like this.